The sum of two numbers is twice their difference. The larger number is 6 more than twice the smaller. Find the numbers. This is an application of a system of equations. The first equation will allow us to write the sum of two numbers is twice their difference. Let's use x and y as the variables. So the sum would be x and y. Twice their difference would be 2 times x minus y. The larger number is 6 more than twice the smaller. Let's say that the larger number is x, and it is equal to 6 more than twice the smaller. So here's our system of equations. We can simplify the first equation to get x plus y equals 2x minus 2y. This is equivalent to x equals 3y. If I substitute x equals 3y into the second equation, we'll get 3y equals 6 plus 2y which is equivalent to y equals 6. So if y equals 6 and x equals 3y, x would equal 18. So we'll check the bottom equation first. 18 does equal 6 more than twice 6. That checks. And x plus y is 24. And that does equal 2 times x minus y, which is 12. So our smaller number is 18, which is x. I'm sorry, that's our larger number. Our larger number is 18. Our smaller number is 6. Y is the smaller, x is the larger. Our second example is one that is going to involve distance, rate, and time. The formula distance equals rate times time. And we have a boat going downstream, which means it's with the current. Upstream means it's against the current. We're going to let B be the boat speed and C be the current in the river. It says A boat travels downstream between 2 points 70 miles apart in 1 hour. So going downstream, the rate would be the speed of the boat plus the speed of the current. The time would be 1, and the distance 70, 1 hour and 70 miles. The return trip against the current takes 2.5 hours. This would be the boat minus the current. 2.5 hours, 70 miles again. So each time we get distance equals rate times time. So 70 equals 1 times b plus c, which is b plus c, which says that the current is equal to 70 minus b. In the second equation, 70 equals 2.5 times b plus c, which is 2.5b plus 2.5c, where I'll replace c with 70 minus b. So 70 equals 2.5b plus 175, that's 2.5 times 70, and I made a mistake in the second equation here. I'm going to fix that now. It should have been 70 times b minus c. So 2 times 5, 2.5b minus 2.5c. And so that's going to also give us a minus 175. And a plus 2.5b. So that gives us 145 equals 5b, or b equals, 245 equals 5b, and b equals 49 miles per hour. That's the speed of the boat. The current is going to be 70 minus b, which is 21 miles per hour. So the current, 21 miles per hour. The third example is one involving solutions. We're going to let solution A be 3%, the one that is 3% salt, and solution B be the one that is 12% salt. So we have 2 brine solutions. We're going to mix some of each together to get a liter of brine solution. And so if we let A be the number of milliliters of brine solution A, and B be the number of milliliters of brine solution B, we're going to mix these together to get 1,000 milliliters or 1 liter. So this is for the brine solutions. Mix the two together to get one mixture. Now we're also going to look at the amount of salt. Solution A is 3%. So 3% of the volume is going to be salt, plus 12% of the B milliliters from solution B will give us 8.4% of the mixture, which is 1,000 milliliters. From the first equation, we get that B equals 1,000 minus A. So we've got 0.03A plus 0.12 times 1,000 minus A equals, moving the decimal place 3 places to the right in the 0.084 gives us 84. So 0.03A plus 120 minus 0.12A equals 84. 120 take away 84 is 36, and that's going to equal 0.09A. A is going to equal 36 over 0.09, or 3,600 over 9, which is 400 milliliters. So B is 1,000 minus 400, or 600 milliliters. So 400 milliliters of 3% solution and 600 milliliters of 12% solution should be mixed. And that's the answer to this problem.